So I believe here it's spell 2, and here's spell 2.5, here's spell 2.6. So this this is the formula, and that you put water here, overflow, put water here, overflow, put water here, and it's blocked by both sides, and that's great. So I think that's why you kind of like need the barrier. So I feel like this is the barrier, and this one is like the height of the place that it's been stored. Obviously you put it somewhere it's very high, you can't store anything, that's why you minus hi. So brute force check over here. So minimum of left and right, which is I feel like in my opinion L and R it's usually the adjacent values as of now. But what if like the R it's like this 0 thing, 0 and 1, you can't really count. So I just feel that this gotta be this gotta be this. That's what I feel right now. It gotta be. So minimum of like this and this is 1. So 1 minus 0 get 1. So here is 1. You come to here. Minimum of like left and right. Here's 0. 3 is out. But here is 1. Although here is 1, but here is 0. Ignore. Come to here. Your left there's 2, but your right side is 0. But here's just 1. What's going on? Maybe the minimum will always kind of like update itself. That's how I look at it. So maybe your minimum now will be this will be compared to this, so it will become like updated to become 2 after you shift away from here. But for here the minimum would be, but what if it's always like it starts from here? Is it? Maybe it starts from here. So if it starts from here, I just feel like I just feel very uncomfortable using the value of this. Okay, just take this. I take 1 minus 1 was 0, but the answer is 1. Damn it. What do I do over here, bro? This is rather frustrating in my opinion, at least. Yeah, this is very bad for me. This is looking really bad. I think we're trapped. You come to here, how do you even calculate this 2? I just feel like your minimum height for left side, you suddenly become, I think, I mean, let's just look at base of L. My new minimum it's 0. My left side is 0. My new left side it's, so here's 0, right? Here is still 0. Here it's 1. Here still 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. But here 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So I come to here. The minimum and the of these two is 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, isn't that 0? Man, what the hell is going on, bro? Three minus 1, 2. But here's 1. Man. Fundamentally wrong. I'm gonna go by the conceptual way, which is saying that I just feel that here you've got to take note of this and this, and then when you come to here it's about this and this, in my opinion. But how do you know that it's taking this? Let me see. If it's here, is this and this, and then if it's here, is this and this. If it's here, is this and this. If it's here, this and this. Is for here is this plus this. For here is this plus this. For here is this plus this plus this. For this is basically this plus this plus this. What am I seeing here? Is there a pattern? I feel like when you take here your, why is, okay, maybe let's take a look. For this, why isn't it this? Because this can't go over here. Can't go over this thing. And for here, why can't it be this? Because this is bigger than this. For here is because this is smaller than this. For here, this is this is smaller than this, and it doesn't matter like how big this is. As long as this thing is smaller than this, we're good. And for here, as long as this is smaller than this, for here is as long as this is smaller than this, for here this is smaller than this, for here as long as this is smaller or equal to this. I just feel that going brute force inspires. And now I really don't know what the true meaning of how they come up with this, but I do feel that their calculation does, I can see that the calculation does work to count the water, but logically speaking, in terms of like spell 2, I don't really understand spell 2, and there's no need for me to talk about spell 2.5, 2.6 as well. So for here, I want to take the minimum of the left side and the right side. So it's this and this. But for here, is this, but it's too high, so it's gone. For here,
晚上来吃饭吗？有，还有饭。我买一包饭，我买一包。我吃饱了。
this and this. So for here, this and this. So it's 2 minus 1, I get 1. For here, is this and this, and so 2 minus 0, we get 2. For here is this and this, 2 minus 1, I get 1. For here is between I feel like it's this and this, but the height is just so high, so I can't really calculate. So say for example 2 and 2, right? So 2 minus 3, I get -1, which can't calculate any water. For this is this and this, so 2 minus 1, I get 1. So whenever we explore here, is it possible that the minimum can be this and this? So 1 and 1, right? Like there's something to do with the left side as well. That's the clue that I'm getting from the spell 2.6 at least. I mean 2.5 at least. So the left side over here is 0. We will just leak. The left side of here, the minimum of the left side over here is 0. Leak. Minimum of left side is 0. Leak. Minimum of left side is 1. Here it's 1, but here is 0, so I shift. Here suddenly it become 1, which is great and all. Here is 1, here is 1, so 1 minus 0, I get 1. I come to here, the minimum of my left side is 1 still. Here will be 2, so here will be 2, here will be 1. So I shift here, so here's 2, here is 2 now, so I start calculating. 2 minus 1, it's 1. Go to here, this and this. I just don't know when it starts calculating, in my opinion. But I go to here, minimum level is 2. Here, still the 2. The question is, how does Cheer know that? How does here know that it can collect this amounts? What if this doesn't exist? Or if it flow over here? It actually doesn't matter because I need to come here to actually call for this individually. What I care about is over here. What is this? So even if this is 2, there's still calculate 2. If this is the only consequences is only if this is 1. If this is 1, there's no way I can actually count. I can count. I can because this is 1. This gotta be 1. But for this case, I think that the right pointer has shifted enough to be over here to be 2, at least a 2. So this can be a 2. Interesting. I got to really brute force my way through, huh? Interesting. You're getting on me. Alright. So I come to here. My minimum left is still this and this. So it's this and this. So it's 2 minus 1. I get 1. I come to here. It doesn't change anything because it's still not considered on my left side border yet. So it's 2 minus 2. 2 and 2 and minus 3. So it doesn't count. I come here. Now I have a new minimum. It's 3. 3 and 2. So it's 2 minus 2. I get 0. Because here is bigger right now. I can shift my R to here. Wait, I think all along it's already here. So I can shift either here or here. I got to shift this one. 3 minus minimum is 3 minus 2. 1. 3, 2 is 2 minus 1, 1. I'm just gonna stop here for now and kind of like revisit it by going through the other problems and come back here again. Everything comes to an end.